आनी कांय वरां भितर वोटींग जावपाचें आसा जिल्हा पंचायत इलेक्शना खातीर आनी कांय वरां भितर कॅम्पेनींग करपाचें सोंपतलें. सो त्या टायमाचेर आमी चिंतलें अशा एका जाग्यार वचपाचें वीच इज हार्टलँड ऑफ पॉलिटिक्स म्हणजे सालसेत. सालसेत इज अ तालुका which is known for politics आनी हांगाचे लोक they play politics with their heart. सो आमी आज चिंतलें की ट्रॅक करचें आम आदमी पार्टीच्यो नॅशनल लिडर आनी दिल्लीच्यो लिडर ऑफ ऑपोजिशन आतिशी हांकां आनी आम आदमी पार्टीची कॅम्पेन इन वेलीम. सो बी विथ अस टील द लास्ट एज वी ट्रॅक दीस कॅम्पेन इन वेलीम, दी हार्टलँड ऑफ पॉलिटिक्स. So right now we are in Velim and we have with us Delhi's leader of opposition Atishi ma'am, and she is campaigning right now for Aam Aadmi Party candidate in Velim. Ma'am, how do you feel? First of all, you started earlier. Aam Aadmi Party was the first one to start the campaign.
See, Aam Aadmi Party does not contest elections on money power or muscle power. Our candidates are well-educated people from ordinary families. They are not coming from these big political families. Izaka's father is not a minister, her husband is not an MP. She is coming from an ordinary family. She is an educated professional. And that is why for us, door-to-door campaigning, where we don't spend money, is our only means of campaigning. And that is what we have been doing.
You're contesting in quite a number of constituencies, yes. 40 plus constituencies. Isn't that a big number as far as Aam Aadmi Party is concerned, considering that your Pan Goa presence is still growing? It's not.
See, I think the Zilla elections is also a very important means of organization building for Aam Aadmi Party. It has helped us reach out to our supporters. There have been a lot of people who have joined Aam Aadmi Party during this Zilla election. People who agree with the ideology of Aam Aadmi Party. People who like the work we have done. There is not just in the Salsat area, but across Goa, there is people like the work the Aam Aadmi Party MLAs, both Cruz Bab and Venzi Bab, have done. And I think one of the biggest things is that in Goa, defections is a big political issue. Congress had 11 MLAs in 2022. They are left with 3. Aam Aadmi Party had 2 MLAs. Both those MLAs are still standing strong with Aam Aadmi Party. I feel this gives us a lot of credibility.
We can see largely 3 groups which are contesting. One is, rather 4 you can say. One is BJP, then Congress GFP alliance, then RGP and Aam Aadmi.
I don't know whether you can really call it an alliance. I'm calling it the friendly fight alliance. So people can't even sit together before forming an alliance, right? If they are just fighting, if they are fighting each other, how will they ever fight the BJP? And if they do win, how will they ever give any credible governance? Have you ever heard of anything called a friendly fight? Our candidate from Raya is a football coach. So she was asked a question about the alliance. She says, I'm a football player. A fight is always a fight. It's never friendly.
But how was you must have noticing, you're the first one who said, we don't want to be part of that alliance because this is not going to work out anyways.
Yeah.
Then it turned out to be true because it didn't never work out to be alliance.
See, if you see, the thing is that this is not just what has happened in Goa. We have seen this pattern happening everywhere. And in state after state, you see that Congress actually ends up weakening the anti-BJP forces. If you see, why is RG disillusioned with Congress? They wanted to be on the table. They wanted to come together, but they were not able to. Even what has been stitched together is not a credible alliance. As I said, there is no friendly fights. There is only fights. Now it's time for the people of Goa to come together, because that is the only way we can defeat the BJP.
We asked CM the question about alliance. He said we have alliance with people of Goa.
We can see that alliance when we go all across Goa. They have an alliance with unemployment. They have an alliance with corruption. They have an alliance with bad roads. Today, corruption is probably the biggest problem in Goa. You ask any ordinary person in Goa, okay? Now, supposing there's a family here, they have 2 sons. They want to build a house for their second son. They have to pay bribes at least 10 to 15 places. They will first pay bribe with the survey office, then with the Mamlatdar, then with the revenue department, then with TCP, then with the surveyor, then with the panchayat, then with the water department, then with the electricity department. So an ordinary citizen is harassed because of corruption. Okay? But when you have all these nightclubs like in Arpora, which are running without any permissions, right? Why? Because there is collusion with the government. Their own leaders, BJP's own leaders, a former minister from Manohar Parikar's cabinet, yesterday himself said that this is a Hafta Vasuli Sarkar. Now, the opposition is not saying it. In fact, he is the third BJP leader in the past few months to talk about the kind of corruption that there is. So, an ordinary citizen is getting harassed, right? I can't build a house. My son doesn't have a job. I can't get an electricity connection. Is this the alliance that Pramod Sawant has with the people of Goa?
So now for Aam Aadmi,
I think he has, actually I think they have an alliance with all these corrupt contractors from whom they take money, who make bad quality roads. There is alliance with all those who are collecting hafta. There is alliance with all those who are doing illegal practices. That is the alliance that the BJP has.
with whom do you have alliance according to you?
We have alliance with the ordinary people of Goa who are struggling, who want to build a house without doing any illegality, who want to educate their children and make them find good jobs and good employment in Goa. Why is it that so many Goans are opting for Portuguese passport? Who wants to give up their home? You only give up your home when you have no other choice. Why are so many young people from Goa, well educated, going to Bombay, going to Bangalore looking for jobs? So many houses you will see that you just have old couples, husband and wife. One child is in Bangalore, one is in Bombay and one is in London. Why? Because the government has failed in giving jobs and providing opportunities to the youth here.
Considering the fact that ZP 80% of the population are voting for ZP, 20 are in the municipal areas, and you are Aam Aadmi Party last time had 7% of the vote share in Goa. So your task is to increase this vote share to such a sizable number that you will have your chairpersons in the North and South Goa Jilla Panchayat. Is it possible?
So let's see. I think that there is definitely people are looking for change in Goa. There is definitely a desire that things need to improve. We've had very positive response in all parts of Goa, and I think that this should be the beginning of change.
Which is the biggest challenge before Aam Aadmi Party as a party? Because I see one challenge is that people always used to tag you saying that this is Delhi Cars Party, and you know what are Delhi Cars Party doing it. So according to you, which is the biggest challenge right now?
Who is the Delhi Cars Party? Pramod Sawant, who keeps going once a week to pay obeisance to the PM and the HM, or where Delhi leaders come to Goa to campaign? Have you seen any other party where national leaders have come to campaign? No. Our national leaders come to Goa. Our senior most leader, Mr. Arvind Kejriwal, has come. I have been coming here to Goa regularly, which means Goa is important for us. Yes, we are a national party. But I feel our challenge is that we are not a party with money power or muscle power. And we are not a party of family-based, family-raj politicians. We are not a party where our candidates are living in mansions. We are not a party where our candidate can distribute 2,000, 5,000 rupees for every vote. And so we are looking for people to vote for us on the basis of the work that we have done. In the house that we just were, they were praising the work that Cruz had done.
Yeah, we saw
And that is the reason that they are going to vote for Aam Aadmi Party.
Okay, last one. Also, because this follows the interview. I interviewed Pramod Sawant, and that's why this question. He says that why is a former Delhi CM should come all the way to Goa to campaign for such a small election like Zilla Panchayat?
So in his speech, Mr. Kejriwal said something very interesting. He asked the people who were sitting in the audience that if my daughter was getting married and I didn't give you an invitation card, would you come to her wedding? Obviously not. So if you want to ask for someone's vote, a vote is a very personal thing. We are the only ones who care enough about the vote of people of Goa that we are coming door to door to their step. Our leaders are coming all the way from Delhi. that goes to show how important the people of Goa are for us.
ओके थँक्यू.
Thank you.
सो क्रूज बाब, वॉट इज आता रिएक्शन कशें आहा लोकांचें? यू हॅव बीन गोईंग अरावंड.
सी आख्खी कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी आमी फूल 100% डोर टू डोर केले. कालसून आमचे सेकंड रावंडूय स्टार्ट जालो.
हां.
विथ थिंग आमकां पॉझिटीव मेळ्ळे आहा.
हां.
आनीक लोकांनी आमचे एज अ MLA तेमी चयल्लें आहा आमी काम कितें करता तें. आनी जाकाय आमचे सरपंच आहा आतां सद्या लास्ट टर्म 2 टर्म पंचायत मेंबर आहले, सो ताकाय जायतो लोक वळखता. तेजे सिन्सियर म्हूण ताका सगळे लोक मानता.
सो तुका यू आर शुअर ऑफ विनींग दीस?
या 100% वी आर शुअर. कित्याक आमकां रिस्पॉन्स मेळ्ळा आनी आमी एक्टिविटीज केल्यात डेव्हलपमेंट सायड, मेडिकल सायडीन, एड्युकेशन सायडीन आमी भुरग्यांक कॅरियर गायडन्स कितें जाय तें इन्फॉर्मेशन तेंच्या भायर सदांच रावल्यात. सो हे सगळे फाटलीं 4 वर्सां आमी काम करीतात.
तुका हें अशें सेमी फायनल टायप दिसता? 27 कितें जातलें तें आतांच कळटलेशें दिसता तुका? एस्पेशली जिल्ल्यांत लोक वोट करतले ते पळोवन.
ऑफकोर्स आतां वोट मारता ते म्हजे परफॉर्मन्साचेरूय लोक वोट मारतले.
हय.
सो हांवें कितें केलां तें लोकांक कळटलें आनी लोक कितें रिस्पॉन्स दितात ते हॅपी आहा तें आमकां हे इलेक्शनाकूय कळटलें. पूण तरी आसतना पूण लास्ट टायम कितें जालें, आमी जिल्ला आमच्या ऑपोजिशन आहलो म्हणजे जिल्ला आहलो तो आमचो आसूं ना.
हय.
सो पंचायत इलेक्शन डिफरंट, जिल्ला डिफरंट जाता, MLA डिफरंट जाता. पूण फॅक्ट कितें आहा, कित्याक म्हजें हांव फूल फ्लॅज आमी आम आदमी पार्टीचो हे पार्टी फर्स्ट टायम आमी जिल्ला कॅन्डिडेट घायला. सो आमचेय परफॉर्मन्स लोक जज करतलो.
तेतून म्हाका सांग, ओपोजिशन कोण आतां हांगा? मेन ओपोजिशन कोण सो दिसता तुका हांगा?
मेन ऑपोजिशन लास्ट टायम सिटींग जिल्ला मेंबर आहलो, काँग्रेसाचो आहलो. सो म्हाका दिसता तोच जातलो.
टफ आहा तेका? तेणें काम बी केलां 5 वर्सां?
थोडी कामां केल्या आसूं, जायते कोणी आतां आसलो ना तेंची कांय कामां लोकांनी ताका विचारलां, क्वेश्चन केलें आसलो ना कितें केलां, ताका रिस्पॉन्स ना. आंबेली कितें केलां, कांय रिस्पॉन्स ना तेजे. थोडी वेल्लीच्यान चिंचणी थोडी कितें केलां ती, पूण आसलो ना आंबेली तेणें कांयच काम, कित्याक लोकांनी ताका क्वेश्चन केल्लें.
ताका लागून ते मातशें एंटी इनकम्बन्सी जातलें
एंटी
म्हणटा.
इन्कम्बन्सी जातली तेजी. लास्ट टायम आमचो कॅन्डिडेट आसूं ना. आम आदमी पार्टी कॅन्डिडेट लास्ट जिल्ला पंचायत आसूं ना. सो हे पार्टी आमचो कॅन्डिडेट आहा आनी के कॅन्डिडेट आहा. सो आमकां दिसता 100% आमी जिखतले.
आतां टोटल तुजी एक सीट आसा, एक वेलीम आनी सीट आसा?
सो टोटल म्हाका लागता 4 सिटां.
ओके.
नावेलीं लागता, म्हाका कुत्तोरीं लागता आनी दावोलीं लागता. पूण आमचे कॅन्डिडेट 3 कडेन आहाय. वेल्लीं कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी, नावेलीं कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी, कुत्तोरीं कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी. सो नावेलीं आमचे फूल फ्लॅज 100% ते जिखतले. आनी आमचे संजय DRL कुत्तोरीं पडटा, थिंगय आमचे जायते वोटर्स आहाय, सपोर्टर्स आहाय. तेय आमकां कॅन्डिडेटाक थिंगा आमचो जोझफ कार्डोज बसलो आहा. सो तेकाय थिंगा सपोर्ट आहा. तेजे भाशेन आमी कुत्तोरीं आनी म्हाकाजोना पडटा ते एरिया. आनी आमचो वॉलंटियर आहा, लिडर आहा थिंगा रॉक मास्कारेनस. सो लास्ट 3 इयर्स तो थिंगा काम करीत आहा आनी ताकाय थिंगा सपोर्ट आहा. सो हे दोनूय कंबायन करून तेजे सपोर्टर आनी आमचे सपोर्टर कितें म्हाका दिसता कुत्तोरीं आमी सीट जिखतले.
नॅशनल लिडर भोंवता हांगा जिल्ला पंचायत इलेक्शनाक.
नॅशनल लिडर
अरविंद केजरीवाल आयलो. रायट नाव यू सी युअर नॅशनल लिडर, शी इज कॅम्पेनिंग फॉर.
ताका लागून म्हणटा आमचे खंयचे इलेक्शन आतां सिरियसली आमी झगडटा. सो हेजेर दाखोवन दिता आमचे नॅशनल लिडर्स टॉप लेवल पासून आमचे जिल्ला पंचायत इलेक्शन सिरियस घेतले. कित्याक हेजेरूय आमचो बेस 2027 एसेंब्ली इलेक्शनाक जातलो. सो आमी इलेक्शनाक लायट घेयना. कित्याक आमी डोर टू डोर सेकंड रावंड चालू आहा आमचो.
तुका ती आतां सरावंडींग कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी बी तूं 27 चॅक करता कोण बरो लिडर आहा काय म्हणून? नावेली आसूं
या तें चलतात आमचें
आसा
आसा जाता. कुत्तोरी
मेंटर करतलो.
कितें ऑफकोर्स
कुट्टरी ऑलरेडी तुमचो जालो.
ऑलरेडी आहा आमचो. आमकां नावेली आहा आमचो. पूण आतां कितें वेळ कोतले न्हू. आमचो सिद्धेशी आहा थिंगा नावेली कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीक. पूण ताका
27
जिल्ला पंचायत ताका तेच पडटा.
27 सगळे गणित आतां चॅक करतले
ते आमचो वॉलंटियर बेज आमचो खूब वाडलो आहा. पयलो 17 मागीर 22 आनी आतां 27 आनी खूब वाडटलो आनी वाडवता. न्यू लिडर जॉयन जायता आम आदमी पार्टीक. थंयसर आसतना आतां जिल्ला पंचायत जायते लिडर न्यू फेसीस जॉयन जाल्ले आहा. सो ह्योच कंटिन्यू जातलो 2027 आनीक लोक हे रिजल्टाचेर चोयन आनी आमचें काम चोयन आख्ख्या गोंयाक कॅम्पेनींग चलता तें चोयन आनीक जायतो लोक आमचो आम आदमी पार्टीक जॉयन जातलो.
लास्ट क्वेश्चन, काँग्रेसीचें कितें म्हणटा तूं?
ते काँग्रेसीचे तूं जाणा आसत तें कितें तें आमी ताका लागून आमी पयलो एलायन्सान भायर रावले. काँग्रेस तांकां सगळ्यांक फटयले. कॅन्डिडेटाक कोणाक टिकेट दिता म्हणल्यार तांकां लास्ट मिनट पासून दवरलें आनी तांकां फुडें आनी ते सदांच तशेंच करताय. तांकां जिखपाचें BJP वडोवपाची इंटेंशन ना. तेंचे लास्ट मिनट हें करता BJP वडोवपाक फकत आम आदमी पार्टी. सो काँग्रेस आहा ती फकत वोटर्सां सपोर्टरांक यूज करता.
ओके थँक्यू. आमी परत मेळटले
Yeah.
आफ्टर इलेक्शन्स. हे आशिल्ले क्रूज सिल्वा वेळीचे आमदार आम आदमी पार्टीचे. सो वी आर ट्रॅकिंग हीज कॅम्पेन. फुडें वचून पळोवया. वील ऑल्सो मीट दी कॅन्डिडेट. सो राईट नाव आमचे बरोबर आसा इसाका फेर्नांडीस. शी इज कॅन्डिडेट हियर आनी वन थिंग वीच आय वूड लायक टू अडमायर अबाउट आम आदमी पार्टी इज दॅट दे डोंट लेट एनी वन दी सारको फोर्थ ऑन द लिस्ट दे गिवन दीस सो दॅट पीपल डोंट मिस्टेक. ओके हाऊ डू यू फील युअर नॅशनल लिडर्स आर कॅम्पेनिंग फॉर यू इन वेल्लीम?
आय फील व्हेरी गूड. म्हाका बरें दिसला. सी आय टॉक इन कॉमन.
हय जाता हय.
म्हाका चड बरें दिसला. म्हणजे एक CM दिल्लीसून हिंग येता म्हळ्यार एक हें सो आय थँक सो मच दीस माय मॅडमींग आतिशा. सो
ती घेवन तुमकां यू डोर टू डोर वता तुमी?
हय डोर टू डोर येयली ती आमचे बरोबर. म्हणजे कोण एक CM जावं कोण MLA म्हणजे अशें करून हे भाशेन कॅम्पेनींग केलो आमचो येयलो ना. सो ते चड देव बरें करूं म्हणटा.
यू आर सरपंच ऑफ आसोळणा?
या आम द सरपंच ऑफ आसोळणा.
You are officially on Aam Aadmi Party Sarpanch of Asolna. You have a panel in Asolna under Aam Aadmi Party.
पॅनल आज पासून घडलो ना.
हाँ.
या इन द
But you are the
पंचायत.
सरपंच.
या
तेका हेल्प जाता. It is helping.
या MLA बरोबर हांव काम कोला. सो तोवूय म्हाका पावता जायत पुसाक. हांवें कितें म्हणजे फोन कॉल केलो जाल्यार तो म्हाका हेल्प करता. सो म्हाका तेगे म्हणजे बिहेवियर म्हणजे हें लायक जाला. म्हणजे तो म्हाका कसले कामाक कितें आसा जाल्यार तो म्हाका सपोर्ट करता. तेका लागून हांव हें म्हणजे कॅन्डिडेट अशें म्हूण तेगे वचोला तेका आम आदमी पार्टी.
सरपंचाचेर राग बी आहा तो भायर
ना,
काडना
सरपंच
म्हणटा की तूं
म्हाका-
म्हाजें हें काम करूं ना, तूं म्हाजें तें काम करूं ना.
म्हाका कोण रागार म्हणजे कोण जालें ना. हांवें कोणाले उल्याक जाप केलो जाल्यार हांव केन्नाय ना म्हणा. सगळें हांवें ओय म्हणून जबाब दिता. हांव करता म्हूण.
जिल्हा पंचायताक उबें रावपाचें कशें चिंतलें? बिकॉज यू आर ऑलरेडी देर एज सर.
हांवें तेगे वावर चोयलो MLA लो आनी तेकाय मानदोलें म्हणजे मुगे वावर चोवन तेकाय मानदोलें आनी तेणें म्हाका उल मारलो म्हणजे तूं कॅन्डिडेट एज अ बसत काय म्हूण आम आदमी पार्टी. सो हांवें सांगिल्लें तेका मातशें चिंतूंक जाय म्हूण म्हाका. सो हांवें मागीर तेका जबाब दिलो हांव बसत म्हूण. सो तेगेलो वावर चोवन हांव मातशें हें जालें हॅप्पी जालें. म्हणजे आम दोगांय एकठांय जावन हो वावर फुडें वतली म्हूण.
सिटींग जिल्हा पंचायत आसा पळय तो काँग्रेसचो आसा. ही इज ऑल्सो कॉन्टेस्ट.
हांव रिस्पॉन्स म्हाका कितें मेळ्ळा. हांव लोकांक कॅम्पेनींग कोला तितल्याकूय म्हाका एक एक कडेन रिस्पॉन्स म्हणजे तेंगेलो म्हणजे काम कोल नाय म्हूण आजूनचो तोंड दाखयलो ना म्हूण कॅन्डिडेटान गेले ते 5 वर्सां कॅन्डिडेट बसलोलो पूण आजूनसून तो डोर टू डोर येयलो ना म्हूण. सो आय फील व्हेरी बॅड. म्हाका बरें दिसलो ना. सो हांवें तांकां सांगिल्लें हांव तरी निवडून येयलो जाल्यार डोर टू डोर येतो म्हूण तुमचे बरें.
So once you get elected, I'm asking this current ma'am is also there, so that's why I'm asking in English.
Yeah.
Once you get elected, there's a promise that you will go to them again.
Oh yeah.
परत आणि एक डोर टू डोर.
Okay. I'll do.
Is it?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
So that
You can even ask so that we have another resident here.
Yeah.
He can tell you how she has been as a panch
Yeah.
and a sarpanch. So that they can trust.
सी हांव म्हजी म्हणजे भलाकी सारकी नासली तरी आसतना हांव डोर टू डोर गेलां बाय द ग्रेस ऑफ गॉड. सो ते कॅम्पेनींग हांवें सारकें बरें करून केलां. सो आय एम हॅप्पी विथ दीस पीपल.
okay, tell us your reaction on the entire campaign.
Yeah, so the campaign, the door-to-door campaign has been a culture in this region, okay, and I only hope that before the elections it happens normally. I hope the candidate reaches out. I'm not talking about Isa because Isa is very close. I'll catch her if I need something. Okay, and she's got a house there also, very close to the property I own, just opposite. So I can go and gate crash into a house. So that's not an issue. But the aim is that when you go house to house, I think you should be accessible even later on. Okay, many a times you're not accessible later on when you come to power. So that's my request you know, to all the parties who ever come door to door. And I know I've heard a lot about, you know, Aam Aadmi Party because, you know, in Delhi, I have a lot of friends, okay, and they've done a lot of good things. And hopefully they continue doing this in Goa as well.
So even before she came to your house, you are convinced that you are voting for Aam Aadmi Party.
So, you know, I have to be, you know, I will vote. As I told you, I know her so well, but I will not commit because, you know, who I will vote for, because I don't want it to get into a political, you know, into a clash. But, you know, it's natural, she stays very close by. So
you are hinted, but voting.
I'm not hinting
Yeah.
anything.
But the interesting thing is sometimes people who stay close by don't vote for their party, right?
So,
it
you
means
know-
that she has. It means that they have confidence in her work.
Okay.
That is why they
So,
would.
okay. Yeah, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. सो दिस वॉज इसाका फर्नांडीस. आमी पळयलें की एक कल्चर आसा गोंयान आनी स्पेशली इन सालसेतीन दे बिलीव इन हार्ट टू हार्ट. सो अंटील यू गो टू देम डोर टू डोर दे आर नॉट कन्विन्स्ड अबाउट यू. सो दे वॉन्ट यू टू कम even during elections and also after elections because this is actually a culture. हांगचे लोक मातशे चड इमोशनल सालसेत. वी क्रेडीट देम फॉर दॅट की तेणी जर एका मनशाक मानलो जाल्यार ते मानता. सो यू आर वॉचिंग दीस कॅम्पेन इन वेलीम ऑन युअर फेवरेट चॅनल गोवा न्यूज. कीप वॉचिंग.